Although social disparities like gender gap and gender bias, pay gap, and discrimination have been still plaguing a woman's journey to success, still many of them have fought through this patriarchal society, and one such soul is Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. Kiran
वीडियो
Mazumdar is the
मचपन
founder of Biocon, an Indian biopharma company. She began Biocon out of a rented shed and grew it into India's largest listed company with the revenue of 1 billion and more. And it became a global company in 2004 and is the second leading Indian pharma company. Masumdar is India's wealthiest self-made woman with a net worth of 4.1 billion according to Forbes. She faced many obstacles along her journey because of her identified gender. When she returned to India from Australia with a brewing and malting degree with top scores from her college, she was rejected as it was considered a man's job. Initially, when she was looking for capital and funding, she was again rejected due to gender and untested business model. Today, she is a billionaire and has pledged half of her savings and wealth to the Giving Pledge started by Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. I believe success isn't about how much money you make, it's about how you change the lives of the people, what difference you make in the lives of the people. And Masumdar has checked that box out. Thank you. That's it.
Yes.
Uh,
Good, Nadia. Good, Nadia.
okay. Okay, good, Nadia.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, next Yashmita Verma, we can introduce her.
Okay, okay.
Yashmita, you can start now.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yashmita Verma, and I am going to talk about my role model, a woman entrepreneur. So, I'm going to talk about Divya Gokulnath. Divya Gokulnath is an entrepreneur, co founder, and the director of an education technology and online tutoring firm, Byju's, the learning app. She has completed her degree and joined a Baiju Ravindra classes as his student, and from there she want to start their startup company from a learning app Byju's. In 2011, she have found a education company with the help of his student and provided education videos and programs to help the students to learn online. So she have said that she used to cooperate with the schools to provide free education through the app, and she have also struggled for her online app because she want to make the students to fall in love with learning, which was risky for her to make the students to fall in love with learning. So, as she is one of the famous entrepreneur, her view to entrepreneurship to women and young girl is a woman can enter to the cooperated world with the help of her confidence. And there are in the past, if you see, there are so many women who used to leave their workforce because of some family matters or because of the nation where men are charged to do the things where women can even take care. And even she have things about the cooperated view where even a company's representation view to the woman, where
Nako
a
penny
company
wa.
can represent a woman as a good
Nako
entrepreneur.
penny wa.
So Divya Gokulnath, she is most one of the famous entrepreneur, and she is very famous for her personality and her hardship took to the recognition where she was on the top voice of LinkedIn. Divya Gokulnath have also received a Entrepreneur of the Year in 2020, and she always her always agenda was to make the app and to make the app most famous for the students and fall in love with learning. Today, Byju's is one of the famous and most valuable app in all the country where students can learn online anytime, anywhere. And today, 42 millions of students have registered in this app. So she is one of my inspiration where she have always focused on her goal for the students to make the students learn through online. Thank you.
Yes.
Good, Yashmita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Tabassum Begum. Yes. You can start, Tabassum.
Good evening, everyone. I am Tabassum Begum. I'm from Indira Priyadarshini Government Degree College. First of all, special thanks for the respected lecturer or respected guest who has given a precious opportunity to discuss on a wonderful topic. Coming to the topic, I would like to go for my topic. My topic is my role model, woman entrepreneur. So for me, entrepreneurship is it's all about seeing opportunities and beginning a new startups. Through this, we hope to serve the society with more and more uh, tools to provide possibilities and success for self-defense. Coming to my role model is a woman. He's a social worker, also entrepreneurship, like entrepreneur. Her name is Shrinkala Chendo. He is very responsible and very admirable towards her responsibility and a good entrepreneur. So whenever I used to be with her, I feel very comfortable and I feel very courageous towards my goals. And also when I used to speak with her, it makes me very like it makes me aware of my roles and responsibilities towards my goals and towards my dreams. So, and also I can say, whenever we meet such a people, we feel happy, and also we realize that we should also have an amazing future and make our parents proud. And also, I would like to say that having a role model like her helps me to never give up. And also, in every stage, we need such person to help us. And what we need is most of the time we don't need such people who love her, but we need people who support us, who encourage us, to make us learn. And also I can say for me in my life, she is like diamond who shines the importance of honesty and importance of the education in my life. So I can say she is in my life, she is like a son who guided me the ways of courage and support toward my goal. So having and making her role model makes me a great decision to help me a lot to move ahead in my life. And also at the end, I would like to say that thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Nice presentation, Tabassum. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sadaf, you can start now.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. Build your business around something that you love, something that is endlessly interesting to you. Good evening, everyone. This is Sada Fatima from St. Anne's College for Women. Today, I am going to speak on my role model, woman entrepreneur, Divya Gokulnath. India has known for the land. No, India has known for its the land for entrepreneurs, and majority of them are men who have succeeded in this. There are increase in new business startup and b- new business and startup that has been found over the last decade. Women entrepreneurs plays contribution in. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, you can
Yes,
carry
you
on.
are audible.
Women plays a major contribution in the development of India. Byju's, the startup, does not need any introduction. It is the India's largest education technology company. During the pandemic era, Byju's has done exponential growth. But do you know who is the person behind the Byju's success? You will instantly give the name of Byju's Ravindran, the CEO and co-founder of the startup. But do you know another co-founder who is the personality who is equally responsible for Byju's success? I'm sure you can't recall the name. Her name is Divya Gokulnath, an Indian woman entrepreneur and an educator who is the CEO, director, and co-founder of the Byju startup. Divya calls herself workaholic. She brings up simple methods and new techniques of learning with visual lessons. Divya started her career in 2008 when she joined Byju's in-person classes. She collaborated with schools for free education, by which many students enrolled with Byju's. Now she does during the pandemic era, she started the free live classes for students. She not only provided education for classes 1 to 12, but she also prepared students for competitive exams like JEE, CAT, NEET, etc. Her new techniques and loving for teaching makes her extraordinary. Over 42 million paid subscriptions are there in Byju's. According to the Reconciling report, in 2019, Byju's profits were 20 crores and the company's net losses came down to 9 crores, that was 37 crores in 2018. By, by the hardship of the Divya Gokulnath, we can see the company's position. Last but not the least, we get opportunities and the best time is when we catch them. Thank you.
Very good, Sadar.
Good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Girls, this is also one such opportunity for you to excel and try to see if you are able to compete and win somewhere in this particular event. Okay, Mahita ma'am, there were 37 participants who have registered for elocution for the day. Okay, and out of 37, I think so many are in slumber, sleeping to the glory, not even coming and participating. So the ones who are participating will stand a chance. That's what we have to appreciate the girls there.
Yes. Next we have Aisha Uzma ma'am. Aisha, you can start now. Left the meeting. Girls, anyone else is ready? Yes, Bhavana. Bhavana, start now.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes, there is.
I didn't register for the electrician, ma'am. Can I
Yes.
participate?
If
You
you
can
are ready, you
participate.
can.
You can.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
What happened, Bhavana? Make it fast.
Yeah, ma'am. Is my voice audible?
Yes, and you are visible also. Please continue.
Okay. Very good evening to respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Bhavna Parihar. I'm from St. Anne's College, here to talk about an Indian product in international marketing. Here, as we all know that India's share in world merchandise exports remain constant
Excuse me.
at
Bhavana,
1.
Bhavana, you should be visible, ma'am.
You have to keep your video on.
Ma'am, my video is on only, ma'am.
No. Now it is on.
Yeah. Come into the screen properly and start.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it is okay. You can. Again, you went off, Bhavana.
Visible, ma'am.
Yes. Carry on. Fast.
as we all know that India's share in world merchandise exports is 1.7% in 2000, remained constant at 1.7% in 2017, 2018, and 2019. So it has remained constant, and the Indian products has been exported worldwide. Uh, because India has a very rich heritage where many products are available, different climatic conditions have different kinds of products. And in the year 2019, India's position was 18th, increased with exports, but due to Corona in 2020 and 2021, the India has experienced India, not only India but worldwide, has experienced a lot. Exports has experienced a lot of ups and downs. So when ups and downs, and when I talk about an Indian product which is international, is the people's thinking for the homeopathic and natural things which are being natural things which are being people's mentality towards natural things if, have been increasing. People are now more cautious about the natural things. They don't want to use any chemical things. That's the reason why the Patanjali products have been exported worldwide. And Ormer, the Balsara toothpaste have the product Balsara has introduced a brand that is Ormer, the toothpaste, in US, and have been gained a lot of importance due to people's thinking over the natural products. When I myself have thought about the products which can be worldwide exported, is something that is Multani Mitti. For people, it seems like a bit funny. Why would they apply mud on their skin, face, or anywhere? Just because it's from India, it's a kind of mud. But but not knowing its importance, its benefits, people think that it's like kind of waste product. But according to me, when it is being exported, it's with the benefits. When we talk about its benefits, it has numerous benefits, and it is mainly found in Rajasthan and Gujarat, which is a really kind of thing that is a boost point for the thing. And when an product that is really good for people, the where the demand for this cosmetics worldwide is very high. People worldwide want to improve their like anything on the skin or any face or anything. They prefer the chemical things. But now, due to the people's thinking about the natural products have been increased, this product can be a very good for everyone. So thank you. That's it, ma'am.
Yes.
Good information, Bhavana.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, myself Aisha Uzma. Today my topic is a woman entrepreneur. My role model is Ritu Kumar, the fashion designer. She is an extremely popular fashion designer who runs a boutique called Re, along with the label Ritu Kumar, along with which is the foremost fashion designer in India. She is also an recipient of the Padma Shri Award, Achievement Award in 2012 at L'Oreal Paris Feminine Women's Awards. For the role in the development of the fashion industry. She started her career with two small tables and hand block printing. Her use of traditional designs and contemporary implementations have truly set her apart in the country's fashion world. Today, she is a respectable fashion designer with several achievements under her belt. She's actually credited for her online fashion business. However, she has also been influential in the Indian boutique culture. Ritu is a woman entrepreneur in India that has truly revolutionized the fashion industry. Her work has been worn by top Bollywood actresses and several international celebrities. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Next, Sai Tejaswini.
Good evening to everyone. Today I selected a topic my role model, the entrepreneur. Women constitute almost half of the world total population. So it is in India. It is in India too. They are therefore women has considered the key to building great society. Has few decades ago, women were performing household activities. Uh, in household activities, they have to come out for four walls to take part in all sort of activities now. For a long time, they have been performing different sphere of activities like politics, social work, household work, etc. My role model is Priya Paul. Priya Paul. Priya Paul is one of the good examples among many successful women entrepreneurs in business world. For those who don't know who is Priya Paul, uh, um, Miss Priya Paul is considered a successful entrepreneur woman of India. Uh, woman, woman of India. When her father, Surender Group Chairman Surinder Paul died, she had to took over three hotels. She overcome with the challenges, notwithstanding the lack of experience. She chose to follow her heart instead of hotel guidelines. Hotel guidelines has she don't know the experience. She didn't have the experience. Priya Paul is a director and a member of Group Management Committee of Abhijay Surender and chairman of Park Hotels, founded in 1968. Currently, she is a member of National Council of Science Museums and the council member of National Tourism. She was appointed as vice chairman of Indian Initiative Trustee and the trustee of Indian Foundation of Arts. Priya Paul is raked of Forbes in 2019 has the one of the Asian's 50 influential business women entrepreneur. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Sai Tejaswini. Instant preparation. Yes. Next, Sai Pragnya. Sai Pragnya. You can start.
Ma'am, is my video audible? Is my video visible?
Yes, yes. Audible and video both are. You can continue.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. Today my topic is about Indian product in international market. So as I was going through about this topic, I have came across few Indian brands which gave tough competition in foreign market, like Cafe Coffee Day and Lakme, Royal Enfield, Louis Philippines. All these are Indian brands which made their own mark in foreign market. So let's discuss about each of these brands. When it comes to Cafe Coffee Day, it is a Chikmagalur coffee bean company which is based in Bangalore, Karnataka, which was started in way back in 1996. By 2014, they had outlets across the India in 29 states, and now they have outlets even outside India in Dubai, Venice, and Karachi.
And we all heard about this brand called Royal Enfield. It is quite famous. It is a Chennai-based motorcycle manufacturing company, and now they are exporting their motorcycles even outside India to European countries and USA. So and it kept expanding. We also heard about the brand called Lakme. It is an Indian cosmetic brand. So it is owned by Hindustan Unilever. So the fun fact I've got to know about Lakme is it is named after the French opera, that is the French form of goddess Lakshmi, who is also known for her renowned beauty. So these are few Indian brands. Even Louis Philippes was initially started in 1986 by Madura Fashion and Lifestyle, and eventually they have now in India and outside India also they have 2000 plus outlets across the world. So these are the Indian brands which already made their mark in the foreign market. Now, I would like to say that as the present pandemic has broke down, world is looking at India for the natural rich immunity boosters. So the new sector of nutraceuticals has opened for India, like lemongrass, cinnamon, and turmeric, ginger. All these are the products people are expecting in the form of powders or capsules. And also, I came across a report which says that India consists of 22 and to 23 age group people, which gives India the opportunity to open a lot of startups and import and export businesses. And as India has world-class technological power, it can be export powerhouse. That's what the Economic Forum report says. And yeah, thank you. So I would say that there is a lot of scope for Indian products in foreign market. Thank you for this opportunity.
Yes.
Good, Pragya. Nice.
Excellent.
Next, Hafsa. Hafsa from MS College. You can start. Okay, if Hafsa is not ready, Kirtana, you can start. After you, Hafsa will continue. Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Hafsa is ready. Hafsa, are you ready? Yes, Kirtana, start.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Kirtan, I'm from BCom General. My topic, international business. The world experiences rapid growth and changes, and for business,
Wait for 1 second. Wait. Hafsa?
Hafsa, respond.
Who is known for a natural leadership
So there's a resound from your side. Please see that issue. Martha ma'am, can I ask Kirtana to continue? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you're on mute. Maita ma'am, you're on mute.
I think Kirtana can start. Maita ma'am, you're
Yes,
on
ma'am.
mute. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. I'm asking Hafsa to quit once. Hafsa, quit, then you join again. When everything is ready, then you join.
Log out and log in, Hafsa, when you're
Yes.
ready. Yes. Okay, Kirtana, start now.
Yes, ma'am. The international business is a world experience, rapid growth and change. And for business to complete qualified manpower must receive full training. The world economy The world economy will determine the balance of power, competitive target. And strong management approach will increases quality and productivity. It adapts to the technology changes and to complete, therefore, business also need to realize the advantages to provide technology changes as well as to create competitive advantages. Management approach is necessary to create the organizational structures. Business management deliberations, the identification statics, objectives required continuously affected by employees from every levels. This chapter investigations international agreements in terms of competitive combined with the effects of the cultural and social environment in the understanding the management and the impact of economics, especially experienced in the post 1980 period with economic development and globalizations, goods provisions of services and liberalizations of capital flows, and the accelerations of technology progress. Countries have pushed between standards will have a great share of the global markets and has lead to promotes of the concept of international competitiveness and benefits of international business, availability of raw materials, high cost of transferability, availability of technology and competitive political statisticals versus political instabilities. And why international business is important? Because most companies are either international or compete with international companies. Significant difference extends in countries which has consumer task and preference, distributions channels, culturally rotor value systems, and business systems, legal systems. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Next, anyone else, girls? Hafsa left, I think. Yes.
There are some girls who just joined. If you are participating, put your name and also your college name along with your phone number in the chat box so that we can pick up your name.
Yes, next we have Rufida Ramsha from
Yeah.
St. Joseph's.
You have to give your mobile number also, Ramsha, so that we will be in a position to call you up. Yeah.
You can start, Rufida. Ramsha? Rufida Ramsha.
Bharti ma'am, is it done now? Over?
Yeah, that's what we're just waiting. If Rufida Ramsha if she's ready, let her take part. Otherwise, we will close it. Are there any more participants who are ready to participate?
Ma'am, can I go? The chat box is.
Yes, Siri, you can come up. Yes.
Yes.
You also registered, no, Siri? I've seen your name in the list. Yes.
Ma'am,
Siri, look into the screen and there should not be any content which you have written and you are going to speak from there. Okay? It should be
Yes,
obvious. The judge is looking at every aspect. Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, am I audible?
Audible
Yes,
and
yes, you
yeah.
can start. Failure is not fatal.
It is the courage that continues to found. Good evening, everyone. I am Siri from BCom Business Analytics from Queensland College for Women. So my topic is an Indian product to international business. So my product or a company is Morico, the company which created parachute hair oil, valued. There is.
Rufita, please mute. Yes.
Ma'am, should I start again?
Yeah,
you can continue. No need.
Continue, Siri.
Okay. So the product that I've taken or the company that I've chosen is Morico. The company which created Parachute hair oil valued over rupees 50,000 crores in today's market, even in the present time. Morico business has started from various brands such as Parachute Oil, Advanced Safola, Nihar, and international brands such as Advanced Advanced Parachute Hair Oil, and Naturals Livon, and hair oil, Kavik, Hercules, Black Killick, Isoplus, to fulfill the lifestyles of international consumers. The company established a new plant in Kanjikode in a small town in Kerala in the year 1993. It all started with Harsh Mariwala, the founder of Morico. Today, we have seen plastic bottles of hair oils and glass bottles of hair oil. But back then, there was nothing. The consumers had to buy cans of hair oil for a month. And obviously, it is not portable and it is not at all easy. Then Harsh Mariwala have come up with an idea of creating bottles which are portable and which are reusable every day with hair oil. The many companies tried to supply hair oil, but eventually failed. The major problem was that the bottles which were manufactured were cuboid plastic bottles, and which allowed rats to eat, and which almost destroyed all the businesses in the market, and which made and gave an opportunity to Harsh Mariwala to create an drop-shaped bottle, which is not bitten by rats and is also sustainable, and which also holds the bottle in such a way that sustains in the environment as well, and it is reusable as well. And it did work. Now shopkeepers were happy because now no more rat biting and no more loss would happen in the godowns. So the reason behind Morico's success, everyone knew that the bottle was unique and it was the sign of originality. But every business faces some problems in the market, and then came the Hindu Unilever company, which is well-known brand in the overseas, which had similar products like Morico, but they couldn't sustain and had to sell their brand to their brand Nihar to the company Morico. The Morico has informed the Bombay Stock Exchange board that approved issue of bonus of redeemable preference shares of aggregate face value of rupees 290 million dollars, which was the ratio of 1:1 on the equity, and enhanced after the bonus issue of equity shares, and from in the year 2002, and from the value of rupees 300 million crores, the company has raised to rupees 600 million crores, which is massive. The company not only added the value into the commercial market products, but also made sure that the employees were happy and motivated. There was no system of absentees to the employees in the company, and which just worked on the trust and hard work of the company, honestly. So I conclude saying that the company from a local brand made it to a global market leader, and the biggest success of Parachute is through the innovation. And it happened in the category like in coconut oil, where there is no opportunity for
there is no opportunity for a lot of creation and innovation, but they made sure that even though their options were limited, they made sure that they were in the real market game. And even today, they have multiple brands like Set Wet, and not only in the hair oil brand, but they are also in cosmetics. They're also in the Formula One car zones. So this is the story of Marico, and this really inspired me to just look up to an Indian brand that has made from a local small company in a town like Kanjikuda to a market, to a global market. So thank you so much.
So, ma'am, can we?
Good, Siri. Yeah. Good, Siri. It's nice. There is one more girl. I think.
Rufida, if she's ready,
Yeah.
can ask her. Are you ready, Rufida? Surekha?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Can you see me?
Yes.
Yes, Surekha.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity. Never give up on a dream, even if the progress is slow. Today, my topic is about a role model entrepreneur. Gone are the days when women were meant to be only in the kitchen. This current generation, the world over, is recognizing women in a way that has never been done before. Women have become so empowered. They are poised to take over the world within a renewed spirit and vigorous celebrating. Women and the entrepreneur ecosystem. Today we are talking about my role model. She is none other than Oprah Winfrey, the ex-president Barack Obama's wife. Oprah Winfrey is the founder of not only one company, she has 3 companies. She started her own production company called Herpo. Founder of not only one but 3 startups. Founder of Oprah Winfrey Network Herpo Productions and the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy for Girls. Oprah Winfrey is a TV personality and director. Apart from being the plaintiff minister, she has touched the world hearts of people all over the world. And instantly, Miss Winfrey net worth stands at $2.9 billion, winner of the Cecil DeMille Award. Winfrey had a humble beginning in rural Mississippi and later moved to Rocky stands off as a radio co-host at the age of 19. Oprah donated a television screen by creating a more initiate confessional form of media communication for her many contributions. And I'd like to conclude that by telling individuals become her tough childhood, world character, character work, her schools, and the true relationships with her fans. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, good, Surekha. I think, ma'am, we are done.
Yes. Shall we have to wait for?
Ma'am, you are unmuted, Bharti, ma'am.
Yeah. Shall we have to look at Rufida? She has registered her name, but she is not still participated.
She's not responding.
Okay. Yeah.
Rufida, are you there? Rufida Ramsha.
Okay. Even Apsa has not responded. I think she left the meet. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's Maita ma'am's judgment. She can take her own stand how we are going to proceed right now.
Now we should announce it, or you will say,
we have
announce it now?
Ma'am, you can. We will leave the choice for the judge because there will be a lot of enthusiasm for participants. If you are announcing it, fine. Otherwise, we will put it in the.
Okay.
Yeah.
no issue. But then also, it is very interesting that the students have come up with good information. They made it up they prepared for it, and they could contribute something to entrepreneurship development topic. Some of them have chosen their inspiring women entrepreneurs, some of them on international marketing, and some of them the brands that they could make a point, make a mark on their own, and some Indian brands, some the brands that have made a good market and from the scratch, and they become a change point. So at this point, I can tell you some points, some brands' success is like the brand name itself became the product name.
Yes.
Brand name itself became the product name. You can take the example of Surf. Surf is a brand, but the product is washing powder.
Yes.
So likewise, Colgate also. If you go to villages, rural. Now, if you go to rural places, the Colgate, they don't say toothpaste. They ask for Colgate. They mean that they want toothpaste. So
Even
success is that. Yes,
Xerox.
Yes. So success, we take success in that. The product name also, the people are identifying with the brand. Okay, so you have done good homework to contribute to do justice for the topic, girls. I appreciate you all, those who have participated now, and some of you just extempo, just like that. You wanted to looking at others and you wanted to participate, and that is nice from your side, because participation is important, not winning or losing. Okay, participation is important, and I must appreciate, because 37 students have registered, and out of that 13 only participated. So in my view, all 13 are winners, in my view, because you are not there in the other 24 lot. Yes, out of 37, 13 you made it, you saw that you are taking part in it. Good that you have done it, and some of you just like that, you have come up with the information and you presented it, and I appreciate that. And I have taken into consideration the time and fluency and your clarity in the topic that you have taken, consistency, and whether you are sticking on to the point, and how clear you are in presenting your point. Okay, so all of you have done the justice, and some madam has said Kirtana, but some participants I could see that you are looking at here and there, and I don't know whether you are reading or on the screen or on paper, I don't know, but some we could identify, but I don't want to name them.
Yes,
I have written in the notebook tomorrow. That is only my doubt, my observation. Okay, it may not be true also, but on the basis of my observations, I can tell Tabassum of Indira Priyadarshini College also, she has done well. I must appreciate. She has given a live example that she met the lady and how that entrepreneur is inspiring her. So that is really a real-time example, I can tell you. And it is not available on internet or something, somewhere it is not read. But it is her life example that she has shared with us. So I appreciate Tabassum for that. And I thought Hafsa and the Rufida also will contribute because they are coming from other colleges, but they couldn't make it out. But next time, Hafsa and Rufida, when you are giving names for that, why Kirtana, why are you feeling sorry, Kirtana? Nothing wrong in it. See, you said that you have noted some point that everyone will do it, but here it is, elocution means what? See, I can tell you now, you are feeling sorry, so I will tell you my experience. When I was in intermediate, I was asked to, some notice I went there, and when I asked to participate, but registration only, I said, it's only one, I came, I don't have teammate. So for debate, two people should be there. So I hail from women's college. So I said, I came all alone. So they said, anyway, write your name, because all are in graduation. I was only from intermediate. So they said, okay, write your name. Then I was asked to participate. They are also in the competition also. I said, I didn't know that a debate competition will have two people. I thought I can come and participate in this. So I came, and then I went on explaining or participating. So elocution only I did. So finally, they congratulated me, they appreciated me, and they gave me consolation prize. So they didn't want to discourage me. Okay, so sometimes these things will happen. So why knowingly or unknowingly, but they appreciated the spirit that I wanted to take part in the competition. So you, Kirtana, you need not feel bad for it. For that matter, any other student, but your intention to do it well. Okay, so this is not an examination. After all, we can give prize, or you can otherwise get participation certificate.
Yes.
Okay, so that's okay with it. If it is exam only, it is a problem. This is not examination, no competition. We will consider or we will not consider. Only two things will happen. Okay, Nikita, next time better luck, Kirtana. So coming to my observations, madam. So from my side, it is.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
You're on mute. You're on mute.
Okay. From my side, it is Nadia. Nadia St. Anne's College, first prize. Nadia St. Anne's College, first prize.
Very good.
Tabassum Indra Priyadarshini, second prize.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tabassum Indra Priyadarshini, second prize. And third prize is between Yashmita and Sai Pragna, madam.
Sai Pragna, yes. Rashmita also has done well.
Rashmita and Sai Pragna. And madam, you can also consider Siri also for that third prize.
She has done a good job. Yes.
She did a good job.
Yeah. Ma'am, Rashmita, Sai Pragna and Siri.
Siri, madam. So out of this, I will give you this paper tomorrow. I will hand it over to you how I gave marks and all. So maybe based on that, you can decide. So congratulations, all of you girls. I appreciate your participation and your enthusiasm. And I am proud of you all because you are very well disciplined.
And we hope the same in future. Please continue this, girls.
Yes. Madam, thank you for giving me the opportunity to take part in it.
1 second, ma'am. Girls, we are all proud of you that you have participated. And I don't think this kind of a forum, we cannot expect hundreds of students to participate, because out of crores of people in this world, only few are entrepreneurs. Okay, very few are entrepreneurs. Out of every 100, not even one person can become a real business icon, isn't it? At this age, if you have taken the initiative to participate and also try to present your idea or try to imagine who is your role model and try to come out with your own thoughts, that's a wonderful thing. Okay, and also Kirtana, don't feel bad, ma. I had to tell you because I didn't want anybody. It's Kirtana only, no?
Yes.
Kirtana. Okay. Next time you have a chance. There are other competitions which are also there in this particular forum, for which the registrations are still open. You can participate in that and you can stand a chance for winning any particular event. Okay, Kirtana?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. And as ma'am has told, we never even had the guts to get onto the stage and open our mouth and speak in front of so many people in our childhood, isn't it? Even in college and school. Yes, ma'am, you gave your wonderful, experience as a student in your school times and college times. That was the way we were. Okay, now if we are able to conduct, that doesn't mean that we are having all kinds of talents. It's only you need to understand.
Learning process.
Yeah, everything is a learning. This is another learning platform. Okay, so we are very happy with Madam Mahita ma'am, and also I wanted Mahita ma'am for this elocution event as a judge because she has different angles of judgments, and spontaneously she is ready to take it up, and also she knows how to judge a personality. That's why she's the Dean of Student Affairs.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So that's the reason, and I hope all of you are happy with your, winning the prizes in this particular forum, and all the others also you will get your participation certificates. And the girls who have participated spontaneously, that's actually the way we have to conduct
Yes,
it.
yes.
We are not supposed to get the topic for elocution.
Before.
Okay, just because we wanted to encourage more students, but still we can't create everybody as an entrepreneur. It doesn't happen. Yeah, and madam, you have put us into task with Rashmita, Sai Pragna, and Siri as third winners. By tomorrow, if you are able to give us a clarity,
Yes.
we can call one as a winner, and the rest, all of you, please participate in other areas also, so that maybe you will have a likely chance of winning there. Yes. So with this, we will conclude the event, and I take this opportunity to thank Mrs. Dhavala Mahita, Dean Student Affairs of our college, Commerce Department, for taking her time out to come and judge the event, because it's all of you might think it is just a normal practice of wishing somebody or telling this, but believers, from morning 6 o'clock, ma'am has been traveling all the way to college and coming and then going back and taking part in these things despite her family requirements. So that's the one thing which I really appreciate you, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you, madam. It's my pleasure.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. We are very happy to have you here. And all the participants, all the volunteers, everybody, a big thank you to you all for participating. My colleague,
Say something.
Tabassum.
Yes.
Ma'am, special thanks to both of the lecturers for giving an opportunity to explore our talents. And because of you people, we are increasing our skills, and we expect a lot more competitions from you. And because of you people, our teenager is increasing our skills, and we hope to get more opportunities and guests like you to have a great joy and interaction. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. It's not two faculty. There are 3 faculties. Bhavani ma'am is also a faculty.
Yes, ma'am. All the lecturers.
Okay. So thank you, Bhavani, my colleague, and all the student participants who have really come up and took part in this particular event.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Bhakti ma'am. Thank you, Mahita ma'am.
Tabassum, in your college, Vimala Reddy madam is there. Go tell her that I won prize which is conducted by St. Anne's College, Mehdipatanam. Do you know Vimala Reddy madam, sports madam?
No, ma'am. Actually, I don't.
Go get to know Vimala Reddy madam and tell her.
Go and hunt for her. Go and speak. This is the time for you to search for that ma'am. She's a very popular madam.
Name?
Vimala Reddy, Dr. Vimala Reddy.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we leave the platform?
Yes,
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Bye, everyone, girls. Bye, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
All these girls I know. I'm reading the names. All these girls I know.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Special thanks to Shanti Jayanti. She was interested in participating in these events and oversee all the events. Okay, so thank you, Shanti. Yeah. Right, madam. We will leave the meet. Yeah.
Okay.
Bhavani?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yeah, we have not posted the feedback form. I think we will do it tomorrow because today
Yes,
is.
I was about to ask, but I thought because it is a competition, so
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Anyway, these girls will be getting the certificates, and We will ask them to participate tomorrow so that they will also get the certificates for everything.